Tired of the MetroCard struggle? Let's ditch the hassle and unlock the future of NYC subway travel with Apple Pay. This video will show you how to breeze through those turnstiles. First, make sure you have a valid debit or credit card added to your Apple Wallet. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. If you don't see your preferred card, tap the plus sign in the top right corner and follow the instructions to add a new one. Next, locate the OMNY Reader on the subway turnstile. It's the black pad with the contactless payment symbol. It looks like a sideways Wi-Fi icon. Now, hold your iPhone near the OMNY Reader. You don't even need to wake your phone or open the Wallet app. Apple Pay should automatically activate. You should see a checkmark and the word done on your iPhone screen, along with a subtle beep from the OMNY Reader. As soon as you see that confirmation, the turnstile gates will open. Go right through and enjoy your ride. You can also use your Apple Watch. Just hold your watch face near the OMNY Reader and wait for the confirmation. That's it, you've now mastered using Apple Pay on the NYC subway. Faster, easier, and one less thing to worry about. Happy riding.